Gentlemen, we're heading to Fiji.
One, two.
Kale, book. Produce.
Look at all this. Can't believe it. Oh, but this can't be real. It'd be far too delicate. Uh-oh. This is more like it. Stolen from Venezia, from Pompeii, and from a brothel in Syracuse.
Good guess. What do you think you're doing here?
I'm here to make sure you get the Book of Peace. Or bring back your dead body if you fail.
Really? And how are you gonna pull that off?
By whatever means necessary.
Did you bring a crew?
No?
You know how to get to Tartarus?
No.
Can you navigate on your own?
Yes.
Well, good. Then I'll dump your butt in a rowboat and you can paddle all the way back to Syracuse. Because we're going to Fiji.
Forgetting your gas.
Fiji.
Yep.
Just as I thought.
What?
Somebody, you're not a very complicated guy. All someone has to do is imagine the most gutless course of action and you're bound to take it.
Hey, this is not my problem. I did not steal the book.
You're really not gonna lose any sleep over this, are you?
Not a wink.
Because me, I'd be tossing and turning, knowing I'm alive. Because I let my friend die.
I'm not responsible for this mess. And I didn't ask Proteus to put his neck on the line for me.
Look, clearly I can't appeal to your honor. But I have other ways of convincing you.
Really? Just how do you expect to do that?
By speaking your language.
Keep talking. Yep, this'll do. But not for first class. As you can see, we're well equipped to accommodate the most discerning of royal taste. We have excellent ocean views, luxurious living quarters with 3 gourmet meals a day. Pickles, eggs, and pickles. Oh, hey, Spike, there you are. I'd like to introduce you to your new bunkmate. Well, actually, you're his new bunkmate, as it's actually his bunk. We do hope you have a pleasant stay aboard the Chimera. Oh, if he starts hugging your leg, it means he likes you.
If you think